Here's how to install our OCAM Electric Side Steps for the 76 series Landcruiser. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. There are two brackets for this vehicle. The larger bracket goes at the rear, while the bracket with the motor goes towards the front. They are labeled for their respective sides. There are two bolts for each of the four brackets holding in the factory side step. There are also these two bolts near the front which need to be removed. Use a 10mm socket to undo all the bolts and remove the side step from the vehicle. Install the new brackets using the included hardware. The motor bracket will use two new bolts with spring and flat washers and a stick bolt with its plastic retainer in this grommet hole. The rear bracket will use all new bolts and reuses the factory mounting points. Then route the passenger side wiring harness along the floor. This is where you'll hide the control box as well. Then route the passenger side wiring harness along the floor. There are two wiring harnesses for each side of the vehicle that piggyback off the door sensor plugs. Pop off the pillar covers to gain access to the door sensor plugs and connect up the first lot of connectors. Remove the rear quarter panel trim behind the seats and connect up the rear door sensors. Repeat for the other side and run the cables behind the dash using some fish tape. Then connect both harness leads to the control box. The door sensor plugs and connect up. Remove the rear quarter panel trim behind the seats and connect up the rear door sensors. And seal the holes with silicone sealant. Attach the side steps by sliding the aluminium blocks into each arm and secure using the two 4mm Allen bolts per block. Once each side step is installed, test once again by opening and closing the door. And there you have it, your OCAM electric side steps are installed.